I can see some plane here. Not sure if you can. Yeah, there you go.
So the understanding that was reached yesterday on stopping the delivery operations and actions, locking for just 3 days, and what will be the cost escalation if there is violation of this understanding by the Pakistani side? And my subsequent question would be that we have a kind of ceasefire agreement with Pakistan that was signed up in 2003. So, will there be some kind
Trying to
of
focus.
similarities in frameworks between the two kind of understandings, 2003 fire agreement, current understanding on stopping nuclear operations? And again, what are the costs that will be incurred on Pakistan if Pakistan again resorts to this kind of terrorist activities, because you have made it very clear that the cost.
I can see one more.
I'd like to have your. So I'll answer the latter part of the question first. I also want to add that why the initial ceasefire agreement is pointed out 2003. I must remind you that in 2021, the month of February,
Another one. I don't know which planes are these.
And right at the ceasefire understanding that lasted right up until this unfortunate attack at Kerala. Once our foreign secretary had announced the decision of the CCS, the immediate date of the attack, he announced certain measures. And then, of course, Pakistan had its own announcement. Since then, there have been certain violations of the ceasefire understanding. And of course, after the second incident, like I pointed out during my statement, that there have been numerous violations on the line of control, especially, and of course, along the international boundary.
So I'm not sure which flights are these. They don't look like normal commercial flights. Multiple lights are glowing. It's actually changing direction. It was going towards left and now it is going, it was going towards right and now it is going towards left. It's like it's doing some Reiki or something. I don't know which flight is it. Why is it here? Just capturing for reference.
The cost escalation on legal of best navigation already said that the responsibility is clear to the unit. Now, the right foot forward. Sir, I will be curious from you here. Sir, my question is that you talked about the loss of life to the Pakistan army that was around 35 to 40 kids
It has gone quite far now. So 2 flights went from here. One actually changed direction. So I don't know what's going on here.